He obtained money. هغه پیسې حاصلې کړې. He obtained money. یا تاسو ویلی شئ He obtained money. هغه پیسې ترلاسه کړې. Did you eat? آیا تا خوراک وکړو؟ Did you eat? We march forward. مونږ وړاندې ځو. We march forward. The dog is barking. سپی غاپي. The dog is barking. Iron is strong. وسپنه مضبوطه ده. Iron is strong. Gentlemen are seated. محترم کسان ناست دي. Gentlemen are seated. He did not eat nor drank. هغه نه خواړه وکړل او نه څکل. He did not eat nor drink. She will marry soon. زر ده چې هغه به واده وکړي. She will marry soon. The crowd is huge. ګڼه ډیره سیوا ده. The crowd is huge. He sought help. هغه کومک غوښتو. He sought help. He was tricked by a con. هغه له دوکه‌باز دوکه ورکړه. He was tricked by a con. Knowing is power. علم طاقت دی. Knowing is power. He made a rule. هغه قاعده جوړه کړه. He made a rule. He paid in dollars. هغه په ډالرو کې پیسې ورکړې. He paid in dollars. Turn the page. پاڼه واړوه. Turn the page. I accept the offer. زه وړاندیز قبلوم. I accept the offer. He watched TV. هغه TV وکتو. He watched TV. She is holding a bag. هغې کڅوړه نیولې ده. She is holding a bag. We reached the shore. مونږ د سمندر کنارې ته ورسېدو. We reached the shore. This is their trademark. دا د هغوی ځانګړې نښه ده. This is their trademark. Please drink water. اوبه وڅښه. Please drink water. The officer arrived. افسر راورسید. The officer arrived. I have 2 books. ما سره 2 کتابونه دي. I have 2 books. The judge spoke. قاضي خبرې وکړې. The judge spoke. I serve tea. زه چای پیش کوم. I serve tea. The army attacked. فوز حمله وکړه. The army attacked. North is cold. شمال یخ دی. North is cold. The movement started. تحریک شروع شو. The movement started. You are kind. ته مهربان یې. You are kind. He possessed land. هغه ځمکه لرله. He possessed land. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره دا چینل PE Air1 سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ، نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.